Today I'm going to show you how to link one Gmail account to another Gmail account, step by step, so you can keep all of your emails in one place and manage everything much more easily. This is especially useful if you have a personal account and a work account, or if you simply want to receive messages from multiple Gmail addresses without constantly switching between inboxes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. Sign into the Gmail account where you want to receive the emails. This will be the main account you're linking everything into, so make sure you're logged into the correct one before moving forward. Once you're in your inbox, look in the top right corner and click the gear icon for Settings. Then click See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings menu where you can access all the advanced mail options. Now click the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail keeps the tools for connecting other accounts, importing mail, and managing send and receive settings. Under the section that says Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will appear asking for the email address of the other Gmail account you want to connect. Type in the second Gmail address, then click Next. Gmail will now ask how you want to connect the accounts. At this point, you'll usually see two options: link accounts with Gmailify or import emails from my other account. If Gmailify is available, this is often the easiest option because it can help organize and sync some features between accounts. If not, you can choose to import emails from your other account, which brings messages into your main inbox. Select the option that works best for your setup, then follow the on-screen prompts. Next, you'll need to sign in to the second Gmail account and allow the required permissions. This step is important because Gmail needs your approval before it can access and retrieve messages from the other account. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow or Continue when prompted. After that, Gmail will start linking the accounts and, depending on the option you chose, it may begin importing messages automatically. Give it a few moments to finish the setup. Once it's complete, you should start seeing mail from the other account appear in your main inbox. Now, if your goal is to automatically forward emails instead of just importing them, there's one more important step. Open the second Gmail account, go back to Settings and click See All Settings again. This time, open the Forwarding and POP/IMAAP tab. Under Forwarding, click Add a Forwarding Address. Enter the first Gmail address, which is the account you want the emails forwarded to, then save the changes. Email may ask you to verify the forwarding address before it becomes active, so make sure to check the first inbox for the confirmation message and approve it. Once forwarding is enabled, emails sent to the second Gmail account will automatically be sent to the first one as well. That means you can keep both accounts connected and stay organized without missing important messages. So just to recap, you open Gmail, go to Accounts and Import, add the other mail account, choose the linking or import option, sign in and allow permissions, and if needed, set up forwarding from the second account to the first. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time every day. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.